Hello, world!
There's some dark truths that have to be told. One of which is that we're in a moonbase race. A moonbase race. A race to build a base on the moon. And there's no participation trophies. The best and most efficient shall win. What are they gonna win? They're gonna win prime moon real estate. The south pole of the moon contains water ice. The first country to make it up to the moon and build a moon base on the south side. They're gonna be leaps and bounds ahead of whoever else makes it their second. No participation trophies. On the south side of the moon, boy! Thankfully, NASA is on it. Let's get into it. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing not because it's easy, but because it's hard. We have to be able to find materials on the moon that we can use because we can't be bringing everything with us. We can't be bringing truckloads of oxygen tanks with us. It's just not sustainable. It's not going to work, and we'll be the last ones there on this entire planet. Oxygen makes up about 80% of rocket fuel. That's a lot of O2. O2. NASA engineers are developing a robotic excavator called the ISRU Pilot Excavator, IPEX for short. This little robot is going to excavate moon dirt, which is called regolith. Oh, that's such a cool word, regolith. The moon dirt is much different than Earth dirt. Earth dirt is, excavators rely on soil resistance and gravity in order for the excavator to not tip over. Regolith is super fine and clingy. Two words that are ubiquitous in describing women. Women and moon dirt have a lot in common. Super fun and clingy. Ladies, don't deny it. It happens sometimes. It's okay. Let's move on. The moon's crust is composed of about 40 to 45% oxygen by weight, but it's all bound up in minerals. If you heat the regolith up, you can break the chemical bonds between the oxygen and the minerals that they are chemically bound to. So IPEX is going to excavate the regolith and roll it on over to a chemical plant that's gonna heat the regolith up and break the chemical bonds, and then it's gonna put the oxygen in tanks so that it could be stored away and then used for rocket fuel. How do you even build a machine that does all that? I don't know how these engineers are gonna do it, but they're gonna do it. They're doing it now. It's gonna be great.